What is debt counseling and how it works? Debt counseling is a legal program that is aimed at assisting over-indebted South African consumers who are struggling with their debt repayments. This program is regulated by the National Credit Regulator as per the National Credit Act. Debt counseling, or debt review, is a legal process that is designed to help over-indebted South Africans regain control of their finances by restructuring their debt according to a legally approved plan. Who can apply for debt counseling? South African residents can potentially benefit from this financial lifeline thanks to a piece of legislation called the National Credit Act of 2005, NCA for short. The NCA created the concept of debt counseling or debt review to help people who could not find any other way of coping with substantial money problems. This is called over-indebtedness and means a situation in which your debts have become too large or too many to tackle without help. Consumers who are struggling to meet their monthly debt obligations qualify to apply for debt counseling. These consumers should have a distributable income, which will be used to offer reduced payments to their credit providers. Consumers married in community of property must jointly apply for debt counseling. What does debt counseling involve? The first step is to acknowledge that you are over-indebted and that you need this assistance. You apply for the help and, if you are eligible, a debt counselor is appointed to help you do a full debt review. Your debt counselor will also handle all discussions with your creditors, who can no longer contact you directly. Once a practical repayment plan for your debts has been created, your debt counselor gets a court order to make it all official. While this is happening, you are protected from legal action by any of the organizations you owe money to, called your creditors. This is for a period of 60 days from your application date. This is your breathing space to find a workable resolution, but you must be prepared to follow through on any arrangements that are made. What are the benefits of debt counseling? Having the advice and help of a debt counselor is an excellent way to manage the situation when you're overburdened by debt. Remember, they also handle discussions with creditors, so they bring their professional insights into the mix. Your debt counselor will work with you and your creditors to find a way to set up a repayment scheme that is equitable, balanced, with a realistic amount you can afford to pay each month. One of the advantages is that you will have enough money each month for normal living expenses such as food and rent, which can be a big relief. Debt counseling benefits. All of your debt repayments will be consolidated into one reduced monthly repayment plan. Your assets, including your home and car, will be protected from repossession. You will no longer get calls from your creditors demanding payment.